No. Guys, do you ever have weird dreams? I heard there's some people that have no dreams, but I have a lot of weird dreams. And I had a really weird dream when I took a nap today. I'm taking way too many naps, to be honest. I don't know if I can tell you about the dream. It's kind of disgusting. But... Do you want to know what I dreamt in my nap today? 今日ね、仮眠の時にめっちゃ変な夢見ちゃった。Talk about dreams, and then you'll reach your goal. It's really weird. It's really weird. You'll judge me for having that dream. That dream... I needed to pee, and and I quickly went to the place where you do that. Oh my god! No! I thought this story was gonna bring me closer to my dreams. Don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. And then... Well... I didn't make it. I didn't make it. I was there. I was right in front of it. But it was too late. It was too late. And now I looked up the meaning of that, because I feel like that dreams can have lots of meaning. And it says, if you had this dream, it must have been very uncomfortable for you. Indeed, this dream is associated with your emotions in real life. Actually, it is possible that you have been hiding your emotions for a long time, and now you are ready to express them. Interesting, isn't it? Which emotions have I been hiding? Which emotions? 変な夢見たんだよね。でももう恥ずかしいから日本語で言わない。待て！よし！ Have you ever had such a dream? Well, when I woke up, I noticed, oh yeah, I need to pee. But idols don't pee, so it's all just a joke. Idols don't pee, so I was just kidding. All of this was made up. All of this was just a joke. hukeパパ違うんだよ。私アイドルだから。私はアイドルだから。Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no! No! I wonder how much English my papa even understands. 私のパパってどれくらい英語できるんだろう。I actually don't know, because I've been talking to him in Japanese. I actually don't know how much English he understands. ふけパパどれくらい英語できるかな。全然できない。Okay, he says he can't speak English at all. He doesn't understand English. Perfect. Wonderful. Let's talk more of these things in English. Just kidding. できない。よかった。今の変な話バレないね。ダンダンダララダンダンダンダンダダンダンダランおダンダンダダン